I'm Paul Salazar. Welcome to this completely redone contemporary home in the heart of Mount Olympus, showcasing some amazing views of the Santa Monica Mountains and Los Angeles. This property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 3,800 square feet of living space, and an entertainer's backyard with pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, and fire pit. Let's go check it out. What I love about this property are all the unique places to entertain. It's not a cookie cutter spec house. The first floor features a sunken living room with fireplace, wet bar with floor to ceiling windows, dining room with Andy Warhol's sunflower wallpaper, and kitchen with German engineered cabinetry, Miele appliances, and terrazzo flooring. This master wing has everything you can ask for. 2 custom walk-in closets, private living room with terrace, fireplace, and views from every corner. The second floor also features 2 ensuite guest bedrooms and office. I always like to save the best for last, and this resort-style backyard has everything you need to entertain friends and family. Enjoy hot summer days in the saltwater pool and spa while being served food and drinks in the poolside bar and barbecue. And after a long day in the sun, relax in the outdoor living room with fire pit. What more can you ask for? Thanks for watching. Hope to see you here soon.